Hello, welcome to my second vlog. My Masi and my cousin are coming over today from Bangalore. It's Friday and they're going to stay over for the weekend. So, me and my mom were preparing like a nice breakfast for them. Let's go. So, I forgot to mention my sister is also coming over from Hyderabad. My sister is also coming tomorrow from Ahmedabad. Well, I'll tell you the context later probably and like why everyone's coming over suddenly. But the family is going to be together.
ये ही कपाट का ही चाबी है क्या ये वाला?
मुझे लग रहा है
8033 हाँ ये डुप्लीकेट.
Hello, this is the next day, which is Saturday. I'm sorry I didn't like vlog much yesterday because my head was hurting the whole day. So, and we had to move around a lot and we had a lot of work to do. Today is going to be a very wholesome day because my sister's coming back from Ahmedabad for 2 days. Like she's leaving tomorrow. And then we are going to FC Road. And then we're planning to go to Joshi Vadewale for dinner because my Masi and my cousin also love that place. And my cousin hasn't tried it actually, but my Maushi loves that place. My sister loves that place. My whole family loves that place. So yeah, wow, my eyes. What is this? Egyosal. I was gonna say samgyeopsal. I just prepared Maggie for breakfast. And it's also like crazy hot outside, like crazy hot. 38 degrees. I'm gonna be showering in sunscreen. Gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, I'm just blabbering nonsense right now, so let's go. Say hi to the vlog. Who are you?
I'm tired, but I'm hungry also. Excited to be in the vlog. 5 chairs.
It is unfair.
someone thought I was a college student when I was in 8th grade. I was very offended and it was not.
Get a cold drink. Do you want a cold drink?
कुछ करने के बाद अरे नहीं अच्छा तो फिर जाने तो मत मेरा फोन लगा चलो but this is very bright.
हाँ येलो फ्रेशनेस है कलर
Yeah, but it's like a pre-made food. This is like an ice cream place.
ती ट्रायल रूम मध्ये मावशी पण आहे तिथे. Look at the mess that is my room. I cannot even. I got this for 200 rupees on FC Road, and of course, it's not like the original book, obviously, because I didn't get it from Crossword. I got it from a street seller right outside it. And but whatever, like it's paper, I can read it. The print is good. क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है? Plus, it was cheaper, so win is a win. It's almost 1 p.m. and what we're gonna do now is, since my sister's here, we're going to celebrate her birthday. Some friends of ours are coming over in the afternoon at 3 p.m. because my sister's leaving in the evening, so that's the only time we can meet and chill. So they're coming in the afternoon, like 3 p.m. So before that, I have to wash my hair again. Like, I think I'll be doing this in every vlog. And I'm wearing this cute little halter neck top that my Masi bought me yesterday from FC Road. I'm so excited. I got the whole fit ready. So right now I'm going to read for a bit and then wash up. Hello, quick update. So I washed my hair and I forced my sister to wash up and dress up quickly as well. I don't know why, sometimes I just feel like kya ho raha hai? Like I gave her the time and everything that 3 p.m. ko you have to be ready, you have to be ready. She's like ha. It's 2:30. She went to shower abhi. I feel like I am such like a type A person. I need everything to be done on time. I need everything to be organized all the time. But my sister, she is not type A. She is definitely some other type. I mean, we were planning to go out, but one of our friends is fasting today, so she won't be able to eat anything. So I was like, let's just not go out then, because it's just weird that. So I cancelled the plan of going out to eat. So we're just gonna chill at home, do the cake cutting, and then go down to take some beautiful pictures, and that would be it. I guess that is the plan. So while my sister is in the shower, I'm planning to like air dry my hair, so it's like flawless by the time I get ready. Happy birthday. Wow, she looks so pretty. Hello,
Hair
guys.
looks like really pretty. I want to hide it from you.
Wait, come here. The sun is like, yeah. Hello. Who are you, bro?
I'm the one.
Never mind.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. bitch.
I'm gonna keep it inside.
There's a space.
The gang. The gang. So we have just dropped off my sister to the bus stop and I'm back at home. This room is mine again. My Masi and my cousin left this morning and they're still like on the way to Bangalore. My cousin was also on the way to Ahmedabad and I'm here. I have to talk about this book that I got from my nanny's place yesterday. It's so good. If you want to if you have short attention span, like you have not read an entire book or you don't have a habit of reading, this is perfect because it makes you feel heard, it makes you feel understood. There's just one paragraph on each page and I just feel it's so like convenient and crisp, like whatever you need to hear it just gives it. And I already feel so much better. I'm just on page 19 and I already feel the negativity just sliding off me. I recommend this. This weekend has actually been the busiest in a while because we had to clean up my grandparents' place, like put their stuff in boxes and sell furniture. So I had to clean that house up. That's what we have been doing from Friday and yesterday as well. Today it was my sister's birthday celebration, so just been all over. So I've tried to film as much as I could, like little clips, but I'm sorry that I wasn't able to do this as much. Please let me know which one do you prefer, like small clips or me talking and giving you updates like this in between. Like what would you like more? So it's past 10 p.m. now. We came home, we had dinner and I started reading this book. Completely forgot to vlog. I'll probably watch one episode of a K-drama. I started watching Typhoon Family, by the way. Pretty good till now, but I'm just on second episode, so I can't tell if it's actually good or not. Maybe a few more episodes and I'll be able to give a detailed review. And yeah, after that I'll just sleep. So in case I don't film anything after this, see you in my next vlog. I'm planning to post every Monday, by the way, so look forward to that and hold me accountable if I ever forget to post on a Monday. Like I want to keep doing this. So bye.